I don't have time for God. Here is the truth. But we have time when we are struck by illness, sickness, hardship, problems, and etc. But we have time to seek God's guidance when we are in trouble. But we have time to seek God's healing when we are struck by sickness, health, and crisis. But we have time to seek God's comfort and peace when we are having difficulties, hardships in life, family issues, broken relationship. Meron tayong panahon pag tayo po ay nagkasakit, may problema sa buhay, doon tayo nagkakaroon ng panahon sa Diyos. But we have time to pray, to call and to seek God when we are in crisis. What ways of a person who are lack of godly wisdom to busy seeking a better life instead of putting God's first, seeking a people, better friends, better partner in life. We're seeking a highly paid job. I will tell